So overnight, guys, Australia has recorded a total of 931 COVID-19 infection. For Australia, it is big. So Victoria Premier Danny Andrews has warned that unless the infection rates drop, hospitals will soon be overwhelmed. He said if you're in doubt of how serious this is, switch your TV on and see what's happening in other parts of the world. People are dying. We're not going to get to a dark place. Anyway, Victoria recorded 51 new cases overnight, taking the state's total to 229, while 3 more cases were confirmed in the ACT. Mr. Andrews announced a $550 million business relief package to help those struggling to stay afloat during the crisis. A payroll tax refund will be made available to 24,000 businesses, small and medium-sized businesses. It's hoped the cash will help keep about 400,000 workers employed. The refunds are part of a wider $1.7 billion economic stimulus package designed in consultation with the National Cabinet. They said the most important thing for businesses right now is cash to save them and their workers. This is all about helping businesses stay open and keeping as many people in work as possible, Mr. Andrews said. So Australia's borders were closed overnight, meaning only citizens will be allowed in the country. Social distancing rules were announced by Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Friday, meaning fewer people can gather in restaurants, pubs and cafes. We can't have this spread more rapidly than would otherwise be the case, he said. He said if we've got to take action to flatten the curve and make sure our hospital system doesn't collapse. It will be inconvenient, it will be frustrating, but it will save lives, he said. And he also encouraged the public to keep following guidelines from health officials, including washing hands and self-isolating. He said these sort of things are simple, but they make a powerful difference. So worldwide, the coronavirus death toll has topped 10,000, doubling in 1 week as the crisis continues to escalate in Europe. Half of all the COVID-19 deaths have occurred in Europe, with Italy now having confirmed more victims than China. Don't even believe China. It's not possible for Italy to have more victims than China. China are just not telling the truth. That's the fact. Thanks for watching, guys.